Welcome. My name is Austin. Today we will be covering front end equipment. I will be talking about Romax components and the different stock rolls that John Deere has to offer. We at the dealership often get asked what Romax parts are. Romax components are parts that have been redesigned with increased wear life in mind. These components include our gathering chains, our sprockets, both the idler and the driver, our chain guides, the front chain guide and the rear chain guide, along with our stock rolls. If anything I said to you today regarding Romax appeals to you, now is a great time to upgrade. Currently, John Deere is offering $150 off per row when you upgrade to Romax. In order to take a deeper look at John Deere's Romax components, we have set up a gathering chain and sprockets. Looking first at the sprockets, we can now see we have an 8-tooth design compared to 6 found on non-Romax components. Along with the additional teeth, we also have an increased overall diameter on the sprockets. This increased diameter allows for a larger radius for the gathering chain to follow around the sprockets. Looking at the gathering chains, we now have 12 additional links in order to accommodate the 8-tooth sprockets, along with solid alloy pin bushings found on the links of the gathering chain. Due to the changes made with the sprockets and gathering chain, we now see an increase in wear life by 50%. Next, let's talk about Romax stock rolls. John Deere offers 3 different options for model year 2012 or newer 600 and 700 series corn heads. These 3 options include opposed, intermeshing, and chopping stock rolls. Romax opposed knife rolls have 8 knives that run tip to tip. These rolls have the lowest power and fuel consumption along with the lowest trash intake. Typical residue size will be 12 inches or greater. Romax intermeshing knife rolls have 6 knives that run between each other, resulting in smaller residue sizing compared to opposed knife rolls. Typical residue sizing will be 6 to 12 inches. Romax chopping stock rolls have 10 knives and are the best option if residue sizing is a priority and a Stockmaster head is not an option. Typical residue sizing will be 3 to 6 inches, with the majority of that being placed directly over the row. The remaining stock will be mushroomed out, resulting in less stubble damage on tires and better stock breakdown. Stockmaster heads are the best option if residue processing and a consistent spread pattern is needed. Typical residue size will be under 3 inches. One thing worth noting is that power consumption is significantly higher than any of the 3 options previously listed. Here we have John Deere's Romax chopping stock roll option. We can see it has 10 long knives compared to the 6 short knives found on intermeshing. The benefits of running a chopping roll include decreased power consumption over a Stockmaster, along with consistent residue sizing, which is placed directly over the row. This aids in strip till and no-tilling applications the following year. If you run a model year 2011 and older John Deere corn head and are not able to run a chopping stock roll, Tractor Central does offer the Yield 360 chain roll. It offers similar benefits to a chopping roll, such as residue sizing and increasing speed of stock breakdown.
Hello, my name is Jared, and today I'll be talking about the center section seal kit on a flex draper, as well as the real-time flip over kit, and how these enhancements can improve your operation.
Prevent as much header loss as possible with the center section seal kit. The center section seal kit reduces losses by up to 45%. The new side draper belts have dual guides on the bottom and thicker corrugated front edges. That allows the belt to be switched from front to back to further increase the belt life expectancy.
Here you can see that we have a real-time flip over kit installed on our flex draper platform. The real-time flip over kit is designed to reduce header loss by throwing the crop to the back of the belt on the draper. Another advantage of the real-time flip over kit is to increase visibility at the front of the draper platform. The real advantage of the real-time flip over kit is to reduce wrapping in green stem and tough conditions. Here at the dealership, we get a lot of questions on what knives should be installed on the cutter bar of our customer's platform. If we are doing small grains, we will use a fine-tooth knife. If we are doing large grains such as soybeans, we will use a coarse-tooth knife. In conventional till practices, the two long knives are probably going to be our best option. For no-till applications, the long short knife blade is going to be our better option. The short knife here allows the crop stalk more clearance to enter the sickle for a cleaner cut. I hope this explains and answers the questions you might have about knife selection on your platform.